Acquia Experience platform provides two key sets of capabilities designed to make it easy for you to bring digital experiences to life: the Experience Factory and the Marketing Hub. Acquia Cloud, a foundational part of the Experience Factory, is the best place to build and manage your digital presence.
Acquia Cloud is a complete platform that helps your DevOps team gain velocity and efficiency to start building applications immediately. It accelerates web development with scalable, secure hosting, unparalleled reliability, and robust developer tools. Your teams no longer have to invest in configuring servers, setting up database replication, managing backups, patches, and more. In this demonstration, you'll see how quickly a DevOps team can go from getting a site up and running to managing a code base to even scaling operations. First, you'll see how an operations team can quickly assemble the pieces needed to deploy a new site. Then, you'll use built-in tools to monitor how well it is running and inform decisions to scale your environment. Next, you'll see how easy it is to set up your local dev environment. Finally, you'll see how Acquia Cloud can be extended to support complex CI/CD workflows required by enterprise-class organizations. Customers who are just getting started with Drupal frequently choose Lightning, Acquia's curated distribution. It includes the most commonly used modules to get up and running quickly with a minimum of effort. To provide the greatest flexibility, Acquia Cloud is also optimized for decoupled Drupal apps and supports Node.js, so you can have a single, secure, compliant cloud for both use cases. Acquia Lightning is your starter kit for building sites and digital experiences more quickly than ever on Acquia Cloud. Over time, Acquia Cloud provides the insight you need to stay ahead of problems that can affect your online presence before they happen. This includes the ability to see how well your site is scaling as user demand grows. As your team creates applications and updates them over time, you'll want a historical view exposing insight into the performance of new deployments. You can quickly get detailed data, including load balancer requests, varnished cache hit rate, CPU and memory usage, and more, to easily correlate deployments and performance. In addition to the infrastructure reports, Acquia Insight offers a simple score that summarizes the current state of your security, performance, and Drupal best practices. Drilling down a level, you'll see a report that shows exactly what your next steps are, with guidelines on how to resolve them quickly. This removes the time-consuming guesswork in reducing risk and improving performance. When you run into trouble, Acquia is ready with the world's best experts in Drupal, cloud, and networking. We can advise you on your Drupal applications and even deliver personalized advice through dedicated advisory hours. To recap, Acquia Cloud helps operations teams get up and running 10 times faster with Acquia Lightning or the Drupal distribution of your choice. Respond faster with key insights into how to maximize your application and infrastructure performance. Optimize the efficiency of your teams by having Acquia as your trusted advisor. In short, Acquia Cloud takes away the pain and cost of building and maintaining a scalable, secure cloud environment on your own. With your site up, running, and optimized, your dev team can focus on iterating quickly in response to business needs. To get started, developers first set up a copy of the Drupal application for local development. You'll clone the code branch, database, and file system, and then you're ready to start coding. It's that simple. Developers love the flexibility to work locally with popular tools for Drupal and PHP development to add new capabilities through Drupal modules. Once complete, you aren't burdened with manual and lengthy deployment and testing processes. Simply push the updates to the cloud and complete your testing, staging, and production phases with a simple drag-and-drop workflow. To eliminate and automate otherwise repetitive and time-consuming dev activities, Acquia offers Cloud CD. It supports continuous integration and development best practices to manage multiple code branches simultaneously, getting your code to production faster. You'll first construct a YAML file describing all the steps necessary to assemble the Drupal codebase that you'll deploy on Acquia Cloud. The YAML file includes codebase installations, database setup, testing, and cleanup events, everything you need to build and deploy your artifact. Some DevOps teams prefer to keep their application source code with the pipeline's YAML file in an external code repository like GitHub, while maintaining your Drupal build source code in Acquia Cloud's Git repository. This lets you decide the best practices and project governance for your Drupal application. Once you've finished authoring your YAML files, you're ready to execute the build using Acquia pipelines, a key component of Acquia Cloud CD. You'll first connect pipelines to the GitHub repo with the YAML file you just authored, along with the supporting code necessary to successfully build. Next, you'll trigger a new pipelines build. You can review the logs in real time to ensure everything is proceeding as expected. Acquia Cloud and Cloud CD tie together many of the disparate and manual steps necessary to coordinate dev teams while managing your code base. Once complete, your code is deployed to Acquia Cloud, and you're ready to test. To summarize, Acquia Cloud helps development teams quickly set up a local dev environment to begin pushing updates to Acquia Cloud, perform advanced CI/CD workflows to streamline cloud-based application deployment. In short, Acquia Cloud works hard to relieve developers of the pain and effort of building, managing, and iterating on your cloud-based Drupal applications, so you can stop focusing on the how and start focusing on your customers.
So that's a quick overview of Acquia Cloud. There is so much more we could dive into, such as advanced build and deploy tools with Acquia Cloud API and Cloud Hooks, managing applications using the command line, remote administration, using production mode to protect your live application, setting up two-factor authentication for the Acquia Cloud dashboard, and so much more. Acquia Cloud makes it easy to reduce the risk and cost of deploying Drupal applications into the cloud while accelerating iteration and innovation. To find out more, go to acquia.com/cloud or schedule a live demo.
Acquia. We bring digital experiences to life for the world's most ambitious brands.